Today I am going to share information about the National Electricity Code 2023. This is a very important regulation that has been provided by the Bureau of Indian Standards in regards to electrical safety in India. So, I am Abhijit Katre. I am the CEO of SAS Powertech Pvt. Limited. We are a Pune-based entity and we help facilities enhance their electrical safety and uptime by helping them achieve compliance to relevant electrical safety standards. Now, the National Electricity Code was published by the Bureau of Indian Standards in the year 1985 initially, and then it was revised in the year 2011. The latest revision of the NEC was released on the 6th January 2023 as NEC 2023. The code covers all electricity users from power generation to end utility end users, and this code has around 8 parts and 49 sections in it. This is a very a comprehensive document which talks about electrical safety, actual measures to be implemented on site, on field by the users. So that is how it will be. It is necessary to know the provisions of this. So today's video is more of an information about it. In my next video, I'll talk about individual sections. So right now, the NEC has around 8 sections in it. The part 1 or the 8 parts in it. The part 1 is the general and the common aspects. It has got 22 sections, and this is a very crucial and important part if you look at electrical safety for working facilities. The part 2 is related to electrical installations in standby generating stations and captive substations. It has got 2 sections in it. The part 3 is requirements for special installations, which has got 22 sections again in it. So these, when you are talking about special installations or locations, these are typically your shopping malls, your hospitals, hotels, typically IT infrastructures or business buildings or corporate offices that are there. So all of that has been specially covered in this. Part 4 is dedicated to electrical installations in industrial buildings, which is again a major area for us to explore. Part 5 is outdoor installations, typically the substations or the incoming supply, where typically the 132 kV or the 220 kV users that have their own internal substations for them. Part 6 is related to electrical installations in agricultural premises. Part 7 is related to electrical installations in hazardous area. Typically our facility managers of chemical plants or adhesive manufacturing and anything related to chemicals or even pharma for that matter need to have a better hold on this part. And part 8 is related to the solar or photovoltaic power supply systems. As you are aware, there's a lot of renewable energy being used these days, and solar in India is one of the largest part of it. So I guess all PV system integrators should be aware about this. Now, if we look at basically the code and its takeaways, so they can be listed as 5 major takeaways. One is it gives a detailed description about protection against electric shock. It also gives a detailed description about protection against the thermal effects. Then the third part is protection against overcurrent and short circuit current. In regards to short circuit, I would specifically like to mention that out of the total fires reported in India, around 40% of it are reported due to electrical short circuits. So this is a very crucial and critical area, typically for malls or marketplaces or business hubs where a lot of people walk in, walk out. Very recently, Pune itself witnessed a fire in a mall, in a big mall in Pune. Fortunately, there was no casualty, or in time they could douse it and also get all the people outside. But short circuits is one area which needs a very detailed discussion and understanding from facility managers and facility users also. The fifth part is protection against voltage disturbances. This is typically related to your power quality aspect of regarding to your facility. And the last section is last point is design, selection, erection, and verification of electrical installations. See, a lot of times, a lot of parameters, guidelines are provided. Unfortunately, the verification part is something that is not done with due diligence or with limited technical know-hows, and that we believe is one of the major concerns and major causes of any kind of an electrical incident. So I will wind up today as I'm preparing a bit some content for the section 1, which is quite an important section of the NEC 2023. And I'll catch up soon with this with the details about NEC 2023 section 1 and give you inputs on how what exactly are the requirements, and these are typically the requirements of the regulation, as well as these are some things that need to be implemented or are implemented at your facilities. So keep following, and I'll certainly be connecting soon. Thanks.